we go.
Mommy's just gonna watch
Watch me. Here we go.
Good job, buddy.
Ready? This way. Swim. Another one. Knock it off my head. Swing. Almost.
Come on, buddy. Eyes on the ball.
There we go. Good swing. Almost.
Keep your eye on the ball.
Here we go. Ready? Here we go, Ben.
He's only just trying to adjust the camera so he keeps missing.
Look at me.
He looked at the camera before he swung.
They got no any different.
He missed it. He looked at the camera.
Ben, can you hit that ball?
Here we go. Say yeah.
Let me see you hit it. No, they good hit. Hey, give me back. Go hit another one, and I'll let you see it.
Watch Mom.
Can you hit that ball?
Back it hard.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Here, ready? Now come to me. Ben. Stop, right there. Here we go. Right back. Ready? Do another one. Here we go. Whack it hard. Knock it over my head. Yeah. Here we go. Ready? Get over my head. Ben, get sideways. Here we go. Head up. Ready, here. Ready? Get ready to hit it. Put your back.
Get ready to hit it.
Put your back.
Show Mommy how you hit the ball.
Here we go. Swing. Let's try again.
He swung down.
Swing high, Ben. Here we go. No, put your back down.
Ben, like this.
Like this. Here we go. Ready? Get sideways. Other sideways. No.
He's hitting lefty. I should go stand on the other side then.
One.
Maybe. I don't know.
No, he's just going to
Ball. Look.
He's like he's
Ben.
likely to drag it to his left side. No,
Ben,
he's
here.
right.
Ben, ready? Get ready, Ben. Here it comes.
Watch the ball.
Swing. Woo! Good job, buddy.
One more time, then we'll.
One more time. Okay, one more
Get a
time.
home run. Get a home run.
That's awesome, Ben. Woohoo! Home run. Good job, buddy. Say rock on.
Give me 5.